Today the weather is so cold. It's raining. Well, I wanted to take Milo, but I can't. I just have to take coffee to fight this cold. I don't know what you guys take when it's cold. Do you take coffee? Do you take Milo? Do you take like this one? I tried this. It's a new thing I've never taken. Kericho Gold, ginger and lemon. Very sweet, very, very sweet. I think just because I don't like sugar and I don't take milk. So this kind of products are my plug. You invite me to your house, just put milk far from me. Sugar far from me. But at least this other accompaniment I can try. Like now here I have a cake that I baked, but I don't like it. The kids will eat it. I have biscuits, nice biscuits. The kids will eat. I'll take this bread with the, how do you call this? Sim Sim. I just know it's called Sim Sim. I don't know. This is what I'll take with the black coffee. Then go to work. Very late. I'm really, really late to work. The rain just made me get tired. It's cold outside. And then at the place of work, it's low. There are no clients. You know, you sit like almost 1 hour. No client. But anyway, we just have to do what is right. Just have to go hustle, because tomorrow is waiting for me to question me what I did today. My fellow friends, family, I just wish you a very good day, a blessed day. My prayer is that God to see us through the first week of January. Let us enjoy the blessings of the Lord as we prepare to start fasting. Like our church, we're starting to fast, I think, next week from 8 there. Hope you will join us. I will be taking you through our prayers, topics of what to pray for. I'll also be praying for my family and you too. I will not leave you alone. As my special viewers, my friends, people who support me, people who watch my channel, I thank you so much. I know it's a journey we are doing together. Thank you so much. As I prepare to take my breakfast, I wish you all the best. Have a blessed day. God bless you and enjoy your day.